In today's video, we're exploring 3 of the best image to PDF converter apps for Android. If you need a quick and efficient way to turn your images into PDF files, these apps have got you covered. Let's jump in and take a closer look at each one. Image to PDF Converter VE Editor. Image to PDF Converter VE Editor is a powerful app that allows users to easily convert images into PDF documents. With a straightforward interface, users can quickly add images from their gallery, adjust the order, and convert them to PDF format in just a few taps. This app also provides editing features, enabling users to crop images, add text, and rearrange pages before conversion. Additionally, it supports various image formats such as JPEG, PNG, and more. Users can also set password protection for their PDFs, ensuring their documents remain secure. This app is perfect for anyone looking for a complete solution for converting and editing images into PDF files. Image to PDF Converter App. Image to PDF Converter app is a simple yet effective tool designed specifically for converting images to PDF format. The app's user-friendly design allows users to convert images quickly without any complex steps. Users can easily select multiple images from their device's storage, adjust the settings, such as page orientation and size, and create a PDF file with just a few taps. The app also provides the option to choose the quality of the output PDF, allowing for flexibility based on user needs. Overall, this app is ideal for users who need a fast and efficient way to convert images into PDFs without any fuss. Image Converter PDF. Image Converter PDF is a versatile app that focuses on converting images to PDF documents while also offering additional features for enhanced functionality. Users have the ability to convert multiple images into a single PDF file or individual PDFs based on their preferences. The app allows for customization in terms of page size and orientation, ensuring that the resulting PDF meets specific requirements. Additionally, it supports common image formats like JPEG, BMP, and PNG. Image Converter PDF also includes a preview feature, allowing users to see how their images will appear in the final PDF before conversion. This app is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable and feature-rich solution for converting images to PDFs. Thanks for watching our video on the best image to PDF converter apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you convert your images seamlessly and efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.